Hi, this is Howard. Today we'll introduce about the FONE700, the AVer ceiling speakerphone solution. So there are the 6 top innovative features for the FONE700. The first one is all-in-one ceiling solution. So it means that the FONE700 includes the speakerphone and the microphone at the same time. So once you install the FONE700, you can resolve your ceiling audio solution. And second one is very single cabling to do the very easy configuration. It means that all devices we can connect to the one hub, and then we just need one cable from this hub to your PC. You can get the all signal, all control by all these devices. And the number 3 is the audio quality. Because FONE700 is not the only speakerphone, it also have a lot of AI feature inside. So we use the AI feature to improve our audio quality so we can provide a high quality audio. And number 4 is the virtual audio and the video transmission. It means that just FONE700 you can connect to the internet. So once you use the FONE700, you just need to connect to the internet in the same network. You can use the virtual speakerphone or virtual microphone in your meeting room or in your scenario. And number 5 is audio tracking with AVer cameras. It means that we can do the integration with AVer CAM550 to do the audio tracking, 3D audio tracking, either the single camera or dual camera to do the audio tracking. And number 6 is the integration with in-room devices. It means that we can use the FONE700 hub to integration the third-party devices inside the meeting room, like external microphone or the other third-party audio devices. So for first one, the all-in-one ceiling solution, it means that between the FONE700 to the speaker, it's just like, for example, 1.5 meters. So for the audio pickup range, we can up to the 7 diameters. And for the single cabling configuration, so you can see on this slide, in the middle you will have the hub, and this hub or all these devices we can connect to the hub, like the FONE700 we connect to the hub, and for the camera we can connect to the hub, HDMI we can connect to the display. And then we just need the one USB cable connect to our PC, and our PC can get all control, all the signal from like camera, UVC, and for audio UAC to the PC. And also we can share the computer or your PC monitor to the display. So all you need to do is just one cable connect to your PC. So it's very convenient, and it will become a single cabling solution. And also you can see here, the FONE700, we just need one RJ45 cable connect to each one. So each one have one RJ45 cable. We just need one cable to transfer the power and data, so it will can up to connect to the 4 units, and it can up to the 40 meters total. Okay, so it's called the daisy chain technology. And because of the daisy chain technology, you can see here we can up to the 4 speakerphone, and the maximum you can up to the 40 meters. So it's very flexible to let you install the different configuration in the scenario in the meeting room. So you can see on the slide here, no matter you want to set up the cube or the triangle, what kind of shape the meeting room you are, you can use the FONE700 installed on the ceiling to design your meeting room. And for the virtual audio and the video transmission, you can see here the virtual audio is that we can we use the hub to connect to the network. And so if your PC is in the same network, we can use our PTZF2 or our another software called Room Management to use the virtual audio and the video to do the virtual stream on your PC. And you don't need to USB, you don't need to any USB extender in between. And we also can do the audio tracking for the FONE700 integration with the AVer camera like CAM550. So it's like the 3D detection 3D detection for the camera. So it will automatically locate the speaker. So you don't need to set any preset area in advance. So it will for the FONE700, it will capture the speaker voice and send the location to the camera. So for the camera, you just automatically to do the audio tracking. And we are very easy to install, and no matter you want to install one camera or the dual camera, and the position is you can install in anywhere of the meeting room, just like in the 2 side or one front side, one rear side. No matter you are, you can use that to do the audio tracking with FONE700. and it's very easy to set up. Here we have the 4 steps to align the camera to the FONE700, and it's very easy and it's very convenient to use. And also we have another way is like we can use the QR code to do the alignment, so it will be much convenient than the traditional way to do the alignment. And for the audio checking, you will have a different checking range for the different height. For example, if you install the FONE700 in 2 meters high, the audio checking range will be like up to the 2.4 meters diameters. Okay, so it depends on the different installation height, and you will have different audio checking radius. Okay, so for the audio checking, you can see here, if you have small room, you just need one speakerphone. But if you have the long meeting room or the big meeting room, you can extend. Also, the maximum you can up to the 4 units. And it's very easy to do the integration with the other in-room devices. For example, just like audio, if you have external speaker, handheld microphone, and also we have a Bluetooth dongle can let you do the connection. And for the external speaker or handheld microphone, you can use the audio port like phone in port or audio out port to do the integration. And also for the video, we can use like the CAM550 to do the audio checking, to do the integration. You also can connect to the other camera, and we also can use the USB string for the camera by connecting to the hub, and also can connect to the display by connecting the HDMI port. And for the back port, for the interface, and for the back port, for the interface, you can see surround the interface have the LED line here. And when LED line show blue, it means unmute. It's showing it's using, and if showing the red, it means mute. And on the back port, is most important is we only have 2 ports on the FONE700 speakerphone. One is for connecting to the FONE700 hub by the RJ45 cable. Another one is also using the RJ45 cable connecting to the next one expansion speakerphone. And for the hub, we also have a various port here, and each port has different function, and you can use and also can connect all these devices to the hub. And then you only need one USB cable from the PC, the Type-C port here, to your PC, and then you can get all control all devices from this cable. And there is 3 ways we can mounting the FONE700. So you can see here we have an optional accessory is like a ceiling mount. You can install on the back side of the FONE700 and to install on the ceiling. And we also suggest that you can use the laser mount or the suspension mount to install the FONE700 on the ceiling. Thank you. So this is the introduction of the FONE700, and then we will do the unboxing and the other introduction.
This is Howard. Today I will introduce about the FONE700 and the FONE700 hub. So first of all, you can see this is FONE700 speakerphone. So this is the interface of the FONE700, and surround the interface we will have the LED line here. LED line will have the blue line and the red line. It means that the unmute and the mute. Okay, so on the back port, you can see the 2 ports here. And this 2 ports, one is that you connect the RJ45 cable to the FONE700 hub, and you can transfer the data and the power at the same time. It means that we only need 1 cable can connect to the FONE700. Okay, so it's called a DC chain technology. And also we have another port. It also can connect with the RJ45 cable to expansion unit. And for the expansion unit, also can get the power and the data at the same time. Use 1 cable. So the 1 cable solution we call the DC chain technology. So we can expansion up to the 4 units of the FONE700. Okay, so for the FONE700 hub here is very important because all devices will connect to this hub, and we just only need 1 cable connect to PC, and then we can get all connection, all signal from this hub. So on the back port, you can see the red port here is connect to the FONE700, and there are also 2 USB port here to connect to the cameras. And 1 USB Type-C USB port connect to PC, and the 2 audio port to let you integration with the third-party audio devices. And also have the LAN port can let the FONE700 connect to the internet. And the front side, we will have the IR receiver to let you use the remote control, and also the Bluetooth dongle port, which means we can use the Bluetooth dongle and to do the wireless connecting. And the HDMI out, this one is you can use the HDMI cable connect to the extension display to share the screen from your PC, from your laptop. And also there are two LED lines here. One is for Bluetooth status, another one is for the FONE700 status, which means that when it light blue, it means the FONE700 is using. But when the LED line show orange, it means in the sleep mode. Okay, so this is the hub and this is the FONE700 unit. So this bundle will have in the FONE700 standard package. Okay, so it's the quick introduction of the FONE700.